would ask you about Budweiser.
Okay.
Because people know that brand.
Right.
Everybody knows what Budweiser
Right.
is. तो पहले उसका थोड़ा सा 2-4 मिनट आप बताइए कैसे वो फंक्शन करता है, and then we'll bring in
कैसे वो फंक्शन करता है
not function in the sense how Budweiser is capturing the market, how
Right.
they're doing,
Right.
and then we'll compare this brand, not exactly compare, but we want to know how it
Right.
works.
Right. Understood. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So see, to give you an understanding of Budweiser, Budweiser is an age-old brand, right? Which is not just in India, but like worldwide. It's one of the oldest beer companies, starting out from the US, with it, I think having its historical roots even in Europe, right? So for them, the approach to market is very different from a brand like ours, which is completely homegrown, new age, less than 10 years old. In fact, just 5 years old in the
Homegrown
market.
का क्या मतलब हुआ?
Homegrown in the sense he made and started and founded in India, right? It's not like an institutional brand that has been there for generations, right? तो आज वही main difference हुआ, right? So आज a brand like Budweiser जो पूरी दुनिया में बिकता है, when they are entering a market like India, उनका what is their approach, right? They will see what the market potential is, क्या market size है, and today for them to capture that market, उनको कितना पैसा खर्च करके market share gain करना होगा. And by पैसा खर्च करना, I mean कितना marketing dollars they have to spend to convert a consumer
Plus
from.
वो emotionally कभी attach नहीं होंगे आपसे because they're here to make money.
Correct, exactly. उनका agenda is that, right? They need to see कि what does the local population relate to. They need to curate campaigns around that emotion and win over consumers from another product category,
True.
right? वो main agenda रहता है, right? And that is what it is कि आज how much you're spending versus how much market share you're gaining, and hoping कि one day वो marketing dollars can be reduced and वो the consumer base sustains itself and become loyal customers of the brand, right? So that is what a big company ka approach always is to the market, right? For us coming in new with basically no consumer base, with no awareness on day one, your idea is to be able to basically understand what the consumer's needs are, right? आज सबसे बड़ा difference क्या होता है, जो आपके बड़े brands होते हैं, उन लोग ने एक रेसिपी परफेक्ट किया है और वही रेसिपी उन्होंने बोला कि पूरी दुनिया में चलेगा, राइट? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल विल लाइक दिस रेसिपी एंड दे विल ड्रिंक दिस बियर. सो आज वी डिडंट टेक दैट अप्रोच. आर इवन माकादी इज ऑल अबाउट इंडिविजुअलिटी. हमने क्यों चालू किया ये ब्रांड? वी रियलाइज कि आजकल कंज्यूमर्स आर इवॉल्विंग, राइट? आज जैसे हम लोग हाउ डू वी एक्सप्रेस आवरसेल्व्स? वी एक्सप्रेस आवरसेल्व्स विद द क्लोथ्स वी वेयर, बाय द बुक्स वी रीड, बाय द places we travel. That expresses our personality. Our idea is कि why cannot a consumer express his personality by that style of beer also that he drinks, right? Because today across the globe there are thousands of varieties of beers that have been brewed historically. Some are still popular, some are not popular anymore, but there are thousands of styles. Our idea is why not take the top styles that we believe in, that will work with the Indian consumer base, and give that variety and that optionality to the consumers and let them decide कि उनको वो क्या पीना चाहते हैं, right? So we are getting to customers not just by marketing but by giving them offerings which other people are not willing to give to the consumers. Why? Because उसका reach is limited, right? आज if you make, for example, a stout beer which is dark in color, more bitter, आप अगर पूरे पॉपुलेशन को ऑफर करोगे सबको पसंद नहीं आएगा. मे बी हैंडफुल ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन, 1%, 2% might even just like that beer, and we will not as a small company ever be able to reach that entire population. So you can see how limited the market would be for a product like that, but that does not stop us. Why? Because we want to give that variety to the customer, right? So we are actually one of the few brands in bottles today that are offering 8 different styles of beer to the consumer, right?
Don't you think कि पैसे ज्यादा खर्च होते हैं अगर आप इस तरह से करते हो? तो आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्सनल है वो बढ़ जाता है, and you don't know कि मार्केट लेगा कि नहीं लेगा.
See, it depends on the setup you have, right? Like अगर आज आप सेटअप्स देखोगे कमर्शियल ब्रूरीज के, वहां पर उनके जो टैंक साइजेस होते हैं, जो उनका हर बैच बनता है, दे आर मैसिव इन स्केल, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हेन यू गेट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ऑन द अमाउंट ऑफ वैरायटी यू कैन क्रिएट. हम लोग ने जो अपना ब्रूरी बनाया, जो कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, वाज डिजाइंड टू क्रिएट वैरायटी एट अ लोअर कॉस्ट, राइट? सो वो जो इनिशियल सेटअप होता है हैज टू बी बेस्ड ऑन योर विजन.
पहले से यही था कि
पहले से विजन के साथ.
एग्जैक्टली,
राइट? सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट, एंड टुडे वी आर नॉट गोइंग आफ्टर द agenda to become the next Budweiser or the next Kingfisher, right? Our goal is very different, right? We are trying to become that bespoke beer brand, to give a luxury offering in the beer space and catering to the more varied needs of the consumers.
एक और भी है कि जब आप ये बियर बनाते हैं,
right,
ठीक है, तो डिस्टिलरी में आपको किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करना पड़ता है, और मॉडर्न इनोवेशन ने क्या उसमें हेल्प करी? जैसे कि मान लेते हैं किंगफिशर है तो पुराना उनका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होगा, हम श्योर,
right,
बडवाइजर का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इवॉल्व हो रहा होगा पर पुराना होगा काफी हद तक,
right.
तो आप लोगों ने जो अप्रोच लिया इसको बनाने का, वो कैसे किया और क्या क्या चुनौतियां आई आपको शुरू में?
So are you talking more from a regulation standpoint or from a manufacturing standpoint?
Both.
ठीक है, so I'll start with
टिप भी बताना आप मुझे, और इधर क्या हुआ तो भी बताना.
ठीक है, I'll start out with the regulation standpoint, because step one is always to essentially get your approvals for licensing and everything, right? Because as you're aware, India में alcohol manufacturing is a very restricted space, right? The red tape you have to go through is very challenging, and depending on state to state, it can take anywhere from a year to multiple years also, right? So that's why we actually
What happened to that ease of doing business which we keep listening in all the politicians' dialogues?
See, I feel it's become better in other areas compared to before. Honestly, I won't be able to give you much. I'm a very young entrepreneur, so I've only been in the business world for 6-7 years now. So उससे पहले क्या था situation? I only know stories, right?